Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to pin ribbon. So if you want to unpin, you can click these icons and it will be automatically collapse the ribbon. So if you click insert, it will be show the insert menu, draw, design, and if you click outside, it will be hide the ribbon. So if you want to pin the ribbon, like you can click home tab and then you can click these icons to pin the ribbon, or the other option you can press Ctrl plus F1. So you can click review, view, and click outside if you pin the ribbon. Click again to unpin, and then you can click the tabs and then click these icons to pin the ribbon. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to pin ribbon. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.